Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a solution to one problem when we make the vehicle go forward. We use DC motors, and DC motors, as we know, are not very precise. Their speeds may vary. Even a small variation in the speed of a DC motor will mean that when we want to make our vehicle go straight forward, it may deviate to one side, to the right or left, based on which motor is slower. So we know if the right motor is slow, then the vehicle will drag itself towards right. If the left motor is slow, it will drag itself towards left. So how to solve this problem? While we are making program, we can take care of this. So this is our simple program for making vehicle go forward for 1 second. Now let's assume the motor is dragging itself towards right. That means the right motor is a little weak. It is rotating at a lesser speed than the left motor. So we need to increase the speed of the right motor. But we have a limitation. We cannot increase the speed beyond 255 because 255 indicates 100% speed, full speed. So what should we do? We should reduce the speed of the left motor. Let's say I reduce the speed to 250. This is going to be a hit and try. We look at how the motor is traversing its path. If it is dragging itself more, we will have more difference of speed. If it is dragging itself a little bit, then we'll have a small difference of speeds. And by doing that, we will be able to make the vehicle go in a straight line. Now we need to understand, once we do that, these set of speeds become our reference value for moving forward. And using these reference values, we should always program the other speeds. If it works, well and good. No, then we need to adjust a little bit and use the average speed of that so that we get the straight line movement as much as possible.